Hi guys, Daniel here from Edible Fly, back with a short tutorial on the 0 YS-X4 Waypoint and PTZ lock functions. So in order to begin this sequence, you want to go into your GCS application and go into the Map tab at the bottom. Press anywhere on screen to add a PTZ lock point. This will be where the camera is locked onto for the duration of the flight. In order to add your waypoint, go into Tools, Add Waypoints. You can add your waypoints in any shape that you want by tapping on the screen. So as you can see here, we've made our waypoints into a 5-ray star, which will hopefully test the PTZ lock function. Finally, upload your waypoints to your multi-rotor and you can take off. Up in the air, you want to exit this waypoint screen and go into SWP and select Fly to PP. From here, your hexacopter will fly to the smiley face point that you made earlier. So as you can see, this is what is happening in video. Go back into SWP and press PTZ lock. Then go OK, and now the hexacopter will lock onto the point. As you can see, it is spinning around because it doesn't really because it's right on top of the point and doesn't really know which way to face. So in order to begin the waypoint, go into SPC and press Enable Skyway. After this, you want to change the target to 2 and press the target button. Exit this screen and your multi-rotor should have begun the waypoint sequence. So as you can see, we are beginning the first ray of our star. It flies quite far away, but as you can see, it is still completely locked on to us. We set our PTZ lock point just to the left of us, so it should be locked on for the entire flight. The waypoint function is very modular. You can actually make the hexacopter or multi-rotor change its altitude while it's flying. It's very impressive and can make for some stunning aerial videos if done correctly. So as you can see, this is the second ray of the star. It will come back. It's still locked on at this point, which shows the reliability of this function. I forgot to add that you could actually save your waypoints by going into Tools and Save Waypoints. So the hexacopter is making its way at the end of the second ray, going on to the third ray, and it is still locked on to us. It's at its furthest point now, and it's going to come back. There we go. So as you can see, the hexacopter is managing pretty well to lock onto our position. It's just coming closer and then going to leave. Still locked onto us at the moment, but on this fourth ray we did notice this. It went off of us for some reason, and the PTZ lock function just turned off. So it's going on to the fifth ray of the star now. And it's still not really locked onto us, it's just facing in our direction. It's coming back, and as you can see, it's just turned around completely. And now it's facing us again, but still not because of the PTZ lock. And here it has finished the entire waypoint sequence. The PTZ lock was going well for the first 3 rays of the star, but for some reason it stopped at the 4th ray. So it's easy to rate this flight a 3 out of 5 because the PTZ lock worked on 3 rays of the star, of the 5-ray star. So after you finish the waypoint, your hexacopter will just hover like it is now. And you can choose what to do with it. You can send it on another waypoint track, or you can just land it. So it's doing the back landing right and coming down. So as it's landing, I'd just like to say goodbye and make sure to subscribe and like this video. See you in the next one. Bye!